But when specifically to waste management, doing something like this, a lot of people don't actually connect themselves to waste problems because a lot of people don't know what issues are there connecting with the idea. The issues are there what's happening. Mountains are not in good condition, okay, so what? In addition to that, I think collection in the Indian Himalayan region is way more different than the plains because it's steep there and we don't know where the waste is. So the superficial level is being cleaned or being collected and being transported and get to the place. But what about those deep downs in which and the people just leave there? And that is a major problem, collection, because the talent is so different.
Yeah.
So I think collection can also be one part of it when it comes to Indian Himalayan region.
Yeah. This is especially like the right fear, like even along, this is especially for this region because hilly regions are so difficult.
Yeah.
Like even when we go to June and when we keep walking on that way, like there's fallen on places that like you can't go there.
It's not accessible.
Like you want to get and clean that up, but you can't. So even with this, I'm like, what do you do? I think that the next step is to maybe if somebody or you have and this is an outreach for sponsors to even perhaps have drones which can do some kind of a collection utility because that kind of picking also if you want to go there you can't.
So it has a lot of resources being available. So a lot of resources are needed, way more than that of the plains. Yeah, and construction of these material recovery facility also becomes really difficult because, for example, in Dharamshala also we have a material recovery facility where all of the waste gets collected and being segregated and transported to the end recyclers or the end-of-life disposal of the cement factories. Some of them which are non-recyclable, but it has a capacity of almost 2 tons, but the overall production rate of the city as a whole in a peak time becomes 25 metric tons, 25 to 30 metric tons. So it
per day.
So per day. Yes, per day. Sorry. So what happens is that with this one recovery facility, we can't cater to all of the area. Just in Dharamshala, I'm talking about in the peak time.
Yeah.
So we need these kind of recovery facilities, like 3 or 4 in number. So the first step which we promote is reduce.